I would say that most of us as educators do not know how to make it, the social emotional learning education, practical, step by step. And that's what kids need. That's how they learn numeracy and literacy. That's how they need to learn SEL. And the other thing, it doesn't go deep enough. Often we are very reactive. We look at a behavior and we respond. We need to be proactive. Teach your kids these tools. Remind them often of these tools. Role play it with them so they get practice, and do it yourself with a colleague at home or in the staff room, because it's something that's new to all of us. It's not just your students it's new to. It's us as well. So be gracious with yourself. Give yourself some slack, but make it proactive. And I can help with that. I have, people can reach out to me. I have a lot of free materials that I can help them with. I actually have like a 5 or 6 little 20-minute videos for children where I teach social emotional learning using Castle's framework, actually. And I teach it through video. So it's all through the arts. So it's really fun, like trying to learn to identify emotions and how to manage emotions. And how do you see something from another perspective? And I wear funny glasses from the dollar store to teach them that lesson. And, you know, growth mindset, how do you instill that in your students in a proactive way? Not when it's too late or somebody has gone off the handle for the umpteenth time. Like, that's what's really important. So I have some free programs and I have a paid program that's also 9 weeks that I love to do with a whole staff, school staff. And then I can do a similar one with parents. So we have the children in there, we have the staff in there, we have the parents in there, and the culture changes. And it's really the way to go.